Welcome to today's episode of How To with Paul. Today we are going to show you how to take a portable generator that is difficult to start and make it start easy for you. I've owned this generator since it was brand new. It has always been extremely difficult to start. I found a way to get it to start very easily and I want to share it with you and hopefully it helps you. So first of all, I'm going to show you. Gas is on, I'm on choke. I'm doing everything that is required by the manufacturer to start it, and I can pull this thing. You can pull and pull and pull and it just will not start. So here's the trick, and this should work on most small engines, maybe even lawnmowers, weed whackers. You might be able to use this on many other small engine vehicles. What you're going to do, I'm going to show you the easy way to start it. We're going to go ahead and remove the gas cap, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow into the gas tank, only for about a second or two. And what that's going to do is that's going to force the fuel to go into the carburetor and actually prime the system so it starts. It starts first pull every time without a problem. So all I'm going to do is take off the gas cap and I'm just going to blow into the gas tank pretty hard, only for about a second. And then I'm going to go ahead and cap it back off and we're going to give it a start. See, it's running. This has worked on this generator every single time since I started doing it. Without doing that, especially in the morning when it's cold, I could be out there for an hour trying to get this thing to start until I figured this out. So I hope that you use this. I hope that it helps you out. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out our other how-to videos.